Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to midterm exam week. So this week is your midterm exam. That's all that's due. I think from the perspective of what I've seen so far in the course this semester, you're going to do a great job. There's a lot of writing in this midterm exam, and I'm going to look for sentence flow and structure. So make sure you write in complete sentences and think about your answers prior to submitting them. None of the information in this exam is stuff we haven't talked about. You're going to hear things that you've heard potentially before as a repeated thing, like in grade school, like nouns, pronouns, things like that. So super easy things that I think you're going to really enjoy writing and researching. However, it requires a lockdown browser, so you can't have it open book per se. You can have your book open, but you can't have any other items up on your computer at the same time. So be sure to have lockdown browser ready prior to starting the exam. The exam is located in the course content section right here under the community forum. The password is COMM 2022. If you have any issues or questions, please let me know. It is due by 7:31. So 7:31 end of day. If you have anything that comes up, if there's any troubles, just reach out. I'm happy to help. Looking forward to seeing the great grades. Thanks.